Hello guys, I'm Lena Saito. I'm a musician, creating music and performing synthesizers. Today, I'm gonna introduce my original communication enhancement program, Onchi. So, what is Onchi? I will explain, so please take a look at this YouTube and stay tuned. What is Onchi? First, have you ever seen the sound? Probably not. Maybe never. Yes, we cannot see the sound, but in this session, you will try to see the sound. This is the concept of sound appreciation. In this session, like going to museum and watching famous drawing in the museum, you will try to see the sound. But how? Right, we cannot see it, but we can do it. The approach is like this. Using your memory, actually we can visualize the sound. Let's see. I think most of you are familiar with this sound. I think yes, you can visualize blackbird, crow. Okay, let's try this. This is the sound of airplane. You might feel happy to imagine going travel with airplane, or you might feel scared because you don't like the airplane. This is the concept to visualize sound. Actually, we can visualize sound using your original memory, what you have in your mind. This is directly connected to your memory. What is happening when you hear this sound in your head? Your brain starts to find similar simulation, what you have in your head, and extract from your memory. This is really similar of the concept of pattern matching. Actually, creativity that comes from scratch, rather expanding your unrealized memory, usually you don't realize. In our session Onchi, using this concept, try to dig and dive into your unconscious memory using music instruments like synthesizers. Let's check what kind of sound you're gonna listen. Very interesting, right? Also, all the sound generated from these synthesizers. In this session, I make the groups, small groups, and we share the images. Like my image is like in the sea, or my image is in the space, or my image is like in metropolitan. My image is like my emotion going up and down. Something like that. Even we listen to the same sound, there are many answers and there are no correct or incorrect. And when we share the image, if someone have this a similar image to you, you feel closer to this person, or if it's very different, it's a discovery, you know? It's interesting because you never expected. So, wow, I've never thought of it in that way. After you say that, I kind of understand what you're saying. Something like that, you know, it's very warm, it's very, very nice communication. I've been doing this program to many people, more than 400 people in a year. There's doctors or scientists, musician, painter, housewife, elementary school students. I did it at elementary school. So don't worry, you can do it. Listening sound and imagine, visualize and share. Through this session, your imagination will be smarted and maximized. I believe that the balanced use of the brain is what is required in today's fast-changing times. Let's train our intuition. Onchi. Onchi is held monthly on Zoom, so wherever you are, you can join. I'm doing it in Japan, but some people are joining from Berlin, Los Angeles, Boston, New York, and Australia. I will update upcoming events on my site, so please check it. If you like the concept, please subscribe YouTube channel and see you at the Onchi. Bye bye.